Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make home burritos only way. Heat a large skillet over medium heat and cook fillings until they are sizzling and fully warmed through. Warm tortillas briefly so they fold easily. Layer rice, beans, protein, cheese, and salsa, keeping fillings centered. Fold ends, then roll tightly while compressing. Wrap in foil to steam for a minute, then serve warm with lime and hot sauce for best flavor. Start with simple, quality ingredients to build flavor and texture in your burrito. Use cooked rice, warmed beans, seasoned protein, shredded cheese, and fresh salsa or pico de gallo. Add chopped cilantro, sliced avocado, and a squeeze of lime for brightness. Keep wet ingredients modest to prevent sogginess. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt and pepper. Prepare fillings ahead to speed. Lay a warm tortilla on a flat surface and build from center outward to prevent spills. Start with a base of rice and beans, then add protein, cheese, and your chosen salsas. Keep fillings in a neat line down the center, leaving room to fold the ends. Fold the sides, then roll firmly while compressing the filling. Toast the sealed burrito in a dry pan for crispness and a better hold.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.